Everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the HP Smart Tank 580 printer Wi-Fi not working, wireless connection and troubleshooting guide. Fix 1. Restore Wi-Fi setup mode. If the printer is disconnected from your network, replace it back into Wi-Fi setup mode before attempting to reconnect. Step 1. Ensure the HP Smart Tank 580 is powered on and not in sleep mode. Then the step 2, press and hold the information I button for about 5 seconds until all control panel buttons illuminate. Step 3, press and hold the wireless buttons and cancel X button together for about 5 seconds. Then the step 4, release both buttons when the Wi-Fi lights begin blinking blue. And then the fix 5, you can print is now on, the printer is now in Wi-Fi setup mode and remain discoverable from approximate 2 hours. Fix 2. Configure the printer using the HP Smart app. Step 1. Open the HP Smart app on your computer, smartphone or tablet. Then click Add Printer or tap the plus icon. Then wait for the app to detect the HP Smart Tank 580. Now select the printer from the list of available devices. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the network password when prompted. And then follow the remaining on-screen instructions until the setup is complete. Fix 3. Restart the printer, router and devices. The step 1. Turn off the printer and unplug its power cable. Then unplug the Wi-Fi router from the power outlet and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Then plug the router back in and allow it to reconnect fully. Then restart your computer, phone or tablet. Now turn the printer back on and try connection again. Fix 4. Verify both devices are on the same network. The printer and device must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 1. Open Wi-Fi settings on your computer or mobile device. Then check the name SSID of the network currently connected. Then in step 3, you can confirm that this is the same Wi-Fi network selected during the printer setup. If multiple networks are available, reconnect both devices to the same network and test printing again. The fix 5, reinstall HP Smart software. So remove the existing HP Smart application from your computer. Download the latest version of HP Smart, the HP official website, and install the application and launch it after installation. Then select the Add Printer and start the wireless setup process again. And complete the installation and print a test page to confirm the connection is working properly. Goodbye.